Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you are all good. And here today we are discussing about a topic tissues. Okay, this is a continued part of our previous subject, that is cell. Okay, in our 8th standard we discussed about the cell. Okay, what is cell and what are the types of cells, and then how you classify the cell, what are the important parts of the cell organelles. Okay, like this. And here the continued part is tissues. Okay, then what is tissue? Okay, we are already familiar with the cell. Cell is the basic unit of the living organism, and number of cells are joined together form tissue, and number of tissues are joined together form organ, and number of organs are joined together form organ system, and number of organ systems joined together form an organism. An organism is formed, basically it is made up of number of cells, and the number of cells are joined together form tissue, and number of tissues joined together form organ, and number of organs are joined together form organ system, and number of organ systems joined together form an organism. Okay, today we are going to discuss about a topic tissue. Okay. Then what is tissue? Okay, tissue means the group of cells, group of similar cells, and they perform similar function. They perform similar functions and they have the common origin. Okay, and this is the definition of this tissue. A group of similar cells performs similar functions and they have common origin is called tissue. Then how you classify a tissue? The classification of tissue. And here the first is classified into plant tissues and animal tissue. Plant tissues and animal tissues. Tissues which are present in a plant body, they are called plant tissues. And the tissues which are present in an animal body, they are called animal tissue. Classification of the tissues. Then again in plant tissue, how are you going to classify the plant tissue and then animal tissue? Okay, next the topic is the plant tissue. The plant tissue is broadly classified into two types, that is meristematic tissue then permanent tissue. Plant tissue is broadly classified into two types, is meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Again in meristematic tissue there are three types. The first one is apical meristem, lateral meristem, and then intercalary meristem. Meristematic tissue is again classified into three types: apical meristem, lateral meristem, and intercalary meristem. This is the classification of meristematic tissue. Then what about the permanent tissue? Here again the permanent tissue is classified into two types. One is simple permanent tissue, and next one is complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. And again, in simple permanent tissue, there are three types. First one is parenchyma, and next one is collenchyma, and third one is sclerenchyma. Permanent tissue classified into two types: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue, again three types: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. And then in complex permanent tissue there are two types. One is xylem and next one is phloem. Okay, and this is the classification of the plant tissue. First one is the plant tissue, broadly classified into two types: meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Again, in meristematic tissue there are three types: apical, lateral and intercalary meristem. Permanent tissue is classified into two types, that is simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. In simple permanent tissue there are three types: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. And in complex permanent tissue there are two types: xylem and phloem. This is regarding the plant tissue. And next, the animal tissue. Next, the animal tissue. Animal tissue. And what are the types of animal tissue? How we classify the animal tissue? In that animal tissue, there are four types. In that, first one is nervous tissue. Nervous tissue. And next one is muscular tissue. Muscular tissue. And next one is connective tissue. Connective tissue. And next, epithelial tissue. Okay, these are the types of animal tissue. The first one, nervous tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue and epithelial tissue. Again, there are types are there in nervous, muscular tissue, connective tissue and epithelial tissue. And here there is no type in nervous system. Only we discuss about the basic unit, that is neuron. So what is neuron, how it functions, and the diagram related to the neuron. And next one, in muscular tissue, it is related to the muscles. And here again we have three types. One is striped muscles, unstriped muscles, and third one is cardiac muscles. Okay, this is the classification of muscular tissue: striped, unstriped and cardiac muscles. And again, in striped muscles, what are the characteristics of striped muscles, unstriped muscles and cardiac muscles, and where they are present? Okay, next, connective tissue. Connective tissue is nothing but they connect different tissues so that they are connective in nature. Again, connective tissue are classified into three types. First one is dense connective tissue. Dense connective tissue. Next, fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue. And then the loose connective tissue. Dense connective tissue, fluid connective tissue and loose connective tissue. It is based on the types of the matrix. Okay, in next classes we are going to discuss that concept. Here, dense connective tissue, they have the examples, that is bone and cartilage. Bone and cartilage are belongs to the dense connective tissue. And next, in fluid connective tissue, it consists blood and lymph. Blood and lymph. In loose connective tissue, it consists areolar tissue, areolar tissue, reticular tissue, and important one, tendons and ligaments. Tendons and ligaments. Tendons and ligaments. Okay, this is the classification of the connective tissue. Connective tissue is classified into three types: dense connective tissue, fluid connective tissue, and loose connective tissue. Dense connective tissue, fluid connective tissue, then loose connective tissue. Again, what it consists? In dense connective tissue consists bones and cartilage. Fluid connective tissue consists blood and limb, and loose connective tissue consists areolar tissue, reticular tissue, tendons and ligaments. This is regarding the connective tissue. And next one is epithelial tissue. Again, in epithelial tissue there are four types. The first one is squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelium. Next, columnar epithelium. Next, cuboidal epithelium, and the last one is ciliated epithelium. Okay, this is the types of epithelial tissue: squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, and ciliated epithelium. This is regarding the complete animal tissue. Okay, first one, animal tissue is classified into four types: nervous tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue, and epithelial tissue. Next, the nervous tissue consists neuron, that is the basic unit of the nervous system. What is the structure and functions of the neuron and the diagram related to the neuron. Next, in muscular tissue, there are three types: striatal muscles, unstriatal muscles, and cardiac muscles. Next, in connective tissue, dense, fluid, and loose connective tissue, and what they consist. And then epithelial tissue, there are four types: squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, and ciliated epithelium. Okay, this is regarding the broad classification. In the next classes, we are going to discuss about the structure and functions and where they are present in the human body. Okay, try to write the schematic representation of the classification of this animal tissue as well as the plant tissue. Okay, thank you.